Welcome in, Familam. Daddy Wolf here, bringing you another spicy video. We had some issues on the last video we posted. It was all black, and I did not realize, but here we are again. We're going to do the same exact video. Hopefully, nothing messes up this time. All right, so you're going to go into Mix It Up. Remember, you got to open Mix It Up before Streamlabs, always. You're going to go to Twitch channel points from the hamburger menu. And then right here, you're going to go down here to channel point editor. And then you're going to go to here. If you haven't added anything, you're going to probably see this, okay? You're going to want to find the button that says add new custom reward. It should be at like the top here somewhere underneath this community challenge, I think. So you're going to add that. You're going to add like the stream, make a description. I'd make it cost 1 point. You can do PNGs with transparent backgrounds and scale these. I can make a video if you guys want to know how to do that. Definitely make a cooldown. So you got to click this toggle on and then go to limit redemptions per user per stream. So you put 1 here. And then I would put 1. No, actually, we got a weight on there, so you don't need that. So that's good. And then you're just going to create it. I'm not going to because I already have one. And then you're going to go. Let's bring this all up. You're going to go to add to existing reward. You're going to look for whatever you called it. Like the stream is what I called it, which is right here. You're gonna add. Let's bring up mine because I already have this done. Okay, so you're gonna do a text overlay. So I command thee to do an overlay. This should be pretty straightforward for you. I shouldn't have to go over this too much. Money sign username, as you see over here on the left, has like the stream. And then you're going to make the font color white. And then the shadow black is what I recommend. Because a lot of the backgrounds are going to be darker. So you're going to hit the duration. Make sure you don't forget that. And I would definitely recommend doing entrance and exit animations and visible animations. Those just make the letters do different things. Again, we covered that in previous videos. Now you're going to do a chat message. So you'll add that. Money sign username has liked the stream and has liked money user like streams in the past. Thanks so much for the support. So the user like is a special identifier that's going to pull up the number of how many likes that they've liked in the past of the stream. So you're definitely going to want that if you want it. You don't have to add that, but I definitely recommend it. It makes it a little extra, a little extra thing you can do on here that's different from Facebook. So then you're going to add a video, and again, we have previous videos on this. If this is confusing, definitely go back and look at it. But you're going to command to add an overlay video. Go to video, add your video, change the volume, adjust all this stuff. If you want to, make sure you have a duration and where it is on the screen. All right. So now we got a counter. This is going to look different. This is probably the only thing that's going to look a little different than what the other videos have done. So you're going to add this. Notice both of these are toggled off. If you want it to save to file, in this case we don't. So what that does is basically it'll save it to a file, so it'll constantly keep that number forever until you delete it. Reset on load is basically every time you shut Mix It Up and Streamlabs down, it'll reset the number when you come back. So it'll go back down to 0, which is what we want. So we will toggle that on. For the sake of this video, we're just going to keep it the same. So I put mine as like 1. You can just do like to just like if you want, or you can do like 1, whatever works for you. And then add +1 and make sure it says update. I think that's default though. So that's good. So now we'll go to the next one. So this is something we'll look at later. This is the little hearts that appear above my thumb when somebody hits the like button. It's extra. You don't need to do it. So if you don't want it, I'll tell you when we're gonna do it later on. But for now, let's actually just continue on. So if you do want that, just wait till the end of the video. So now you're gonna do a consumable. This is for the counter inside the chat message that keeps track of how many times they've liked in the past, which I think is kind of cool. So we'll do like, oh yeah, we got to add a consumable. So let's go to the hamburger menu and go down to consumables, a currency and rank. That's it. So you're going to add a currency and rank. You're going to disable this, and you're going to name this. You can name it like if you want, or like 2, or however you're going to remember it. I just have mine as like. I probably should have did it with like 2, but it's fine. I know what it is. So, all right. So then you're gonna save that. Make sure this is all zeroed out. You're gonna save that. It's gonna say, "Oh, do you want all of this?" This is optional. You don't need to. I definitely recommend having the exclamation point like, and I think that's really all you need, honestly. I wouldn't give any of the other stuff. So this just shows their amount if they want to see how much it is, and then you'll say yes. I'm going to delete this because I do not want it to cross over. So go back to Twitch channel points just so we're on the same page. Let's pull this. Where's my, there it is. Okay. So now this should be hidden here. So whatever you labeled it, it'll be, mine's like add to user +1. Now, mind you, when this first goes through, it's not going to, it's going to say 0 the first time they do it because it's showing past tense. So, all right. So that's basically it for the command aspect. We also are going to add a wait because we don't want them to lap over each other. I'll say 10 seconds. I think that's fair. So now you have everything done inside the command. Now you're going to go to overlay widgets, and you're going to add a text. So it'll be at the bottom, add overlay widget, and then you're going to add a text. Boom. So you're going to label this whatever you want to call it. I'll just name it like. And then this is going to be on the default overlay, so we'll just leave that. Make sure you do the refresh timer. You can't do any more less than a second. So, and then the other thing is make sure that you screen this, put this on the screen properly. So where you're wanting it, as you can see, I have mine down here, the bottom left. I had to actually use this percentage thing to get it to that point. So in this guy right here, we're going to pull this guy up. Okay. This is the one I already have. So you're going to put money sign like 1. Money sign like 1. And that's going to display that number that is counting. Again, make it white. Make the background black and bold it out. Make it a little bigger. So that way you don't have to worry about it. Screen position it. And then save it. Okay, and I apologize. I have to rush through these videos because we only get 15 minutes until we get verified. So it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I hope you got all the information you needed out of this. Also, so now we're going to look at the hearts real quick because we do have a little bit of time. So I'm going to pull up my other, where's my other one? There it is. So now we're going to look at the, this one's a little tricky. So I make other overlays for different things. So if you go to your gear icon, go down to overlays. As you can see, I have quite a few in here. So I have one for my like button, okay? And that's going to be, if we bring it up over here, where are you at? Web sources, like button. See how it's that little box just above my like button, or my thumb, rather? So you're going to make another overlay. So make add a source, add browser source, and then copy the like button, and then bring it over here. And you can name it whatever you like. It doesn't have to be like button. Just remember what you name it as. And then scale that down. I would keep it big at first. So that's way you can find the video. So basically the video is just a green screened heart reaction, and I just screen recorded it. If you need it to be messaged to you, I can definitely do that. Same thing with the thumb. The thumb has also got a green screen behind it. It actually is the Facebook thumb. I just made the sleeve purple, so that way it was different for Twitch. And then you have to scale this box down to basically just be above the like button perfectly, and then you can kind of move it to make it look right. That's how I did it. And then when you're in here, you'll have to add a overlay video, and we got to make sure this is above the weight. We want the weight at the bottom. And then add the video, find the video, and then here in the overlay endpoints, you're going to add it to the like button or whatever you labeled it as. And then how to get rid of the green screen if you don't know. Basically, you'll hit right click on the like button source that you added over here, add a filter, edit filter, add a filter, and then scroll down to chroma key and then add it. And what will happen is it'll give it a automatic 400, I think, and that's good enough to actually take the green screen away, so it'll blend with the environment behind it, which is super nice. All right, so yep, we're hitting that 15 marker soon, so I'm gonna sign off. This is Daddy Wolf again. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like, comment below, flick my ding dong so you get those sweet noties. As you can see, I'm actually putting video up quite a bit, so yeah, I appreciate you guys hanging out, and I'll see you later. Daddy out.